The Coolizi Cooling Ace delivers an even more complete and satisfying experience when viewed as a daily-use personal cooling solution, especially for people who struggle with intense heat during long working hours or hot summer nights. What makes it particularly appealing is how quickly it creates a noticeable cooling effect right in your immediate surroundings. Instead of waiting for an entire room to cool down like with traditional air conditioners, this device focuses directly on your personal space, which often feels far more practical in real-world usage. During extended use, it becomes clear that its greatest strength lies in convenience and consistency. You can place it next to your study table while working, keep it near your bed while sleeping, or use it beside you while watching TV or relaxing. The airflow feels gentle yet refreshing, which helps reduce fatigue caused by heat and humidity. This can make a big difference in productivity and comfort, especially in regions where temperatures stay high for most of the day. When chilled water or ice is added, the cooling sensation becomes even more noticeable, giving a refreshing boost that feels almost like sitting in a cool breeze indoors. Another important advantage is its extremely simple operation. There are no complicated settings or installation requirements, which means anyone can use it immediately after unboxing. This ease of use makes it suitable for all age groups, including students, working professionals, and elderly users who may prefer straightforward appliances. The maintenance is equally simple, just regular water refills and occasional cleaning, which keeps it running smoothly without extra effort or expense. Energy efficiency is another strong point that adds to its overall value. Unlike heavy cooling systems that consume significant electricity, the Coolizi Cooling Ace is designed for low power usage, making it budget-friendly for long-term daily operation. This is especially helpful for users who want to stay cool without worrying about high electricity bills during peak summer months. Its compact size further enhances its practicality, allowing it to fit comfortably in small rooms, hostels, offices, or even travel setups where space is limited. Portability also plays a major role in its appeal. The lightweight build means it can easily be moved from one place to another without any hassle. This flexibility allows users to maintain their comfort wherever they go within their home or even while traveling. It essentially acts as a personal comfort companion rather than a fixed appliance, adapting to your routine instead of the other way around. Another noteworthy aspect is its quiet performance. Many cooling devices can be distracting due to noise, but this one is designed to operate smoothly in the background. This makes it suitable for nighttime use, study sessions, or work environments where concentration is important. The soft airflow also prevents the discomfort of harsh wind, making it feel more natural and soothing over long periods. Overall, the Coolizi Cooling Ace stands out as a highly practical, portable, and user-friendly cooling device that focuses on personal comfort rather than full room temperature control. It is not meant to replace traditional air conditioning, but it excels at what it is designed for, providing instant, localized cooling exactly when and where you need it. For anyone looking for an affordable, low-maintenance, and efficient way to handle hot weather, it offers a dependable and convenient solution that significantly improves everyday comfort during extreme heat conditions.